Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create and verify a Kraken account. First, navigate to the Kraken website and locate the Create Account option. You'll need to provide your email address, create a secure password, and select your country. After agreeing to the terms, click Create Account. An email will be sent to you. Open it and click the verification link to activate your account. This initial step is quick and sets the foundation for your crypto journey. Once your account is active, log in to access your dashboard. The next step involves funding your account, which is essential for trading. Head over to the funding section where you'll find various deposit methods. You can choose to deposit fiat currency, like US dollars, or transfer existing cryptocurrencies. Carefully follow the instructions provided for your chosen method to ensure a smooth transaction. To unlock full trading capabilities and higher limits, you must verify your identity. Kraken offers several verification tiers, each requiring different levels of information. You'll typically need to provide your full name, date of birth, and residential address. For higher tiers, prepare to upload a clear image of a government-issued identification document and potentially proof of residence. This process ensures security and compliance. With your account funded and verified, it's crucial to enhance its security. Enable two-factor authentication immediately for an extra layer of protection. Now you're ready to explore Kraken's trading platform. Familiarize yourself with the interface, different order types, and available cryptocurrency pairs. Start with small trades to get comfortable, and always practice responsible trading habits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.